Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Kadukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jella ula keren da ka basyai bakino kinu ki breu ki badan kti ban le ki kamruna ruser kinam lait satya na ki kinjri jong ka an ban ka liang jong ka tanat pulit kan sa penong ye ka jingto kit ka bamnia ban yokem ye ki breu ki badan kti ha ka basyo pen mensau ye ki nong trai bar Jella ha St Xavier's Girls Hostel ka badan ha ka snong oi ha Southwest Khasi Hills District ha ka janmate jong ka arpu sautrik urampang arajar arpu way ha ka ba way ni ginong bala ya ubala tip kerteng kum uraju mandal ubadang arpu arsnem karta nagajalla Assam ula khlatno tang hapo ki khendiat kenta hadin bala penkit yu ban sha sumar ha Shillong Civil Hospital na mar ka jingjor shabapalat ka jingmensau ha ka jing yekren bat kilat pathai khubor ukonrat sangma ula ong baka sarkar kanam ailat satya yekino kino ki rew shimet ne yekino kino ki kinhon bakin shushim ya ka any halakikti henry ka anhi kan sa penyo ya ka hok jong kito ki balamat ya ka ne ka jingjia ka basngosi.
See, whenever any kind of incident like this happens, these incidents are being done by individuals who have or will be termed as criminals, and in fact if the death is taken place then they are murderers. So obviously there is law that is there in place to deal with this, and we will be dealing with this in the appropriate manner. Those people who are responsible for this kind of act will not be allowed to go freely, and we will ensure that more aggressive action is taken so that future these kind of incidents don't happen, and the people who are involved in this, as I said, will be brought to justice.